Bye-bye. See you soon. Wave. Don't forget to press the horn. Give me a beep beep.
I want the key.
You want the keys? No, they're not going to give you the keys.
I want yours.
What?
I want yours.
These keys aren't going to work in that car.
Yes, it does.
No, they won't.
I want to try them.
No. You'll break the keys. Just drive the car. Give the horn a little toot. What are you doing, Squirt? Oh boy.
I want some makeup.
You want some makeup? No. That's a very cute imitation of your mother, though. Alright. So, the actual retail price of your brand new Volkswagen Beetle is... They don't have the price. The car is free. You done? Okay, we'll move on to the next car.